back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the world's most beautiful, luxurious, and unique homes. Today's episode is truly special. We're touring an extraordinary luxury residence designed to impress from every angle, blending elegance, comfort, and bold design into one unforgettable dream home. As the camera rises into a stunning drone day view, this mansion immediately commands attention. The exterior showcases a striking combination of red, pink, and blue tones, creating a modern yet artistic identity. Surrounded by landscaped gardens, clean pathways, and a grand driveway, this home feels like a private luxury retreat while still standing bold and confident. Stepping inside, the entrance hall sets the tone for the entire property. High ceilings, premium flooring, and carefully curated lighting welcome you into a space that feels both grand and warm. The color palette flows beautifully throughout the home, with subtle red accents, soft pink highlights, and calming blue tones creating harmony and balance. One of the most peaceful spaces in the home is the prayer area. Designed with simplicity and serenity in mind, this space offers a calm retreat from the outside world. Soft lighting, minimal decor, and soothing colors make it perfect for reflection, meditation, or prayer. It's a reminder that luxury isn't just about design, it's about how a space makes you feel. The home then opens into a breathtaking living room and lounge area. This space is filled with natural light from large windows, highlighting the carefully chosen furniture and decor. Plush seating in rich blue tones, elegant red accents, and warm pink details give the room a refined yet inviting atmosphere. This is the perfect place for relaxing with family or entertaining guests in style. Moving seamlessly through the home, we arrive at the TV lounge, where comfort meets modern technology. A large wall-mounted screen, ambient lighting, and luxurious seating create the ultimate entertainment zone. Whether it's movie nights or watching the big game, this space delivers a premium viewing experience. The kitchen is a true showstopper. Designed for both beauty and functionality, it features modern cabinetry, sleek countertops, and high-end appliances. The red, pink, and blue color theme is tastefully integrated, giving the kitchen a bold yet elegant personality. It's a space where cooking becomes an experience, not just a routine. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where a beautifully designed dining table becomes the centerpiece. Elegant chairs, statement lighting, and a spacious layout make this area ideal for family dinners or hosting unforgettable gatherings. Every meal here feels like a special occasion. As we move deeper into the home, the bedrooms offer a perfect balance of luxury and comfort. The master bedroom, in particular, feels like a five-star hotel suite. Soft lighting, premium textures, and a calming color scheme create a peaceful retreat at the end of the day. Large windows bring in natural light, enhancing the sense of space and relaxation. The bathrooms continue the luxury theme with modern fixtures, stylish finishes, and a spa-like atmosphere. Clean lines, elegant materials, and thoughtful lighting turn everyday routines into moments of indulgence. Fitness lovers will appreciate the private gym, fully equipped and designed with motivation in mind. Mirrors, modern equipment, and energizing blue accents make this space perfect for staying active without leaving home. Outside, the property truly shines. The garage is spacious and designed to house luxury vehicles, while nearby, a stunning swimming pool reflects the blue tones of the home beautifully. An elegant swing area adds a relaxed, resort-style feel, making this outdoor space perfect for both entertaining and unwinding. This home is more than just a place to live, it's a statement of style, creativity, and modern luxury. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the bold color choices to the seamless flow of spaces, creating a residence that feels both luxurious and livable. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow luxury home lovers. Let us know in the comments which part of the house was your favorite, and we'll see you in the next episode with another incredible dream home.